You might be surprised by the answer, but yes, TD does have a presence in the United States and offers a variety of credit cards there. Many people know TD as a major Canadian bank, but TD Bank, America's most convenient bank, operates in over a dozen states along the eastern U.S. This means if you live in one of those states, you have access to their full suite of banking products, including credit cards. So, what kind of cards do they offer? TD Bank's U.S. credit card lineup is quite diverse. You can find cards with different reward structures, like the TD Cash credit card, which lets you choose your own bonus categories to earn more cash back. Or maybe a simple, flat-rate cashback card is more your style. They have the TD Double Up credit card for that. For travelers, there's the TD First Class Visa Signature card, which earns miles on travel and dining purchases. They also offer cards designed to help people build or rebuild their credit, like the TD Cash Secured Credit Card. This card is secured by a deposit, which can be a great way to establish a positive credit history while still earning rewards. And for our friends in Canada who travel frequently to the U.S., TD Bank has specific solutions for cross-border clients. While these applications often require you to visit a branch in the U.S., they're designed to help you transact in U.S. dollars without the hassle of foreign exchange fees. When you're looking at any of these cards, it's important to consider your own financial habits. Do you prefer cash back or travel points? Do you need a card with a low interest rate for a balance transfer? TD Bank has options for all these needs. To apply for a US TD credit card, you will generally need to provide standard information like your full legal name, date of birth, social security number, and annual income. So, if you're in the right region and in the market for a new card, TD Bank might just have what you're looking for.